Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Puppy Love 9 plus 11, even though we haven't gotten Lucky back yet. So this is the second update on Lucky. The doc took a look at him, and they suspect that he's got a little bit of brain injury. He's still not eating on his own. They're syringe feeding him at the moment. And the other concern is maybe he is blind. So he's still a baby, and it's possible that his eyesight can heal, as well as any of the other deficiencies he's got. So keep praying for him. I'll keep you updated. We will not put him down unless he's not able to feed himself. That's going to be a he just can't live like that. So that's kind of where we're at. We're praying that as time goes on here, he's going to be able to start feeding himself. So the hit in the head by the tire or being thrown out of a car, it's hard to say. But I'll keep you up to date, and we will get him home as soon as we can. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Please pray for him. And all we can do is wait.